Let's go, everyone! Today we're unboxing this Apple Watch magnetic charging dock. This is a genuine Apple product. Just heard about it, so had to get it. I guess it's been out for a while. But it's a fancy magnetic charging dock for your Apple Watch. Alright, let's do this. So no pull tab. It was enclosed in this shrink wrap. Alright. Wow. Wow. So, let's see, there's this little... so therapeutic. Ooh. Okay. Cool. So it has a nice premium feel to it. So you can have it up, down, your watch sideways when it's like this or flat. All right, let's see what else is down here. Any stickers? Any stickers? Ooh. Cool. All right, so I got a booklet. No stickers, it looks like, but let's see what's in here. Different ways you can orient this charging station. Then regulatory stuff. Nothing too exciting there, but wow. So this plugs into here like so. Boom. And you have your fancy Apple Watch charging station. There you have it, everyone. Hope you're all doing well. See you next time. Later.